I hope more and more people learn it, work with it. I don't expect people, I mean, there are some families I know that only speak Yiddish in the home. I mean, fantastic, but I don't know how many of those families there will be. But as long as there are people who want to learn languages other than English, and if they're interested in Eastern Europe or interested in Jewish culture or they're interested in literature, that Yiddish can be an available choice for them. And, you know, we're having a crisis in the humanities anyway in foreign languages, especially the ones that I hang out with, you know, the Slavic ones. Will there still be Russian taught at university, let alone Polish, now Yiddish, you know? But I'm hoping that more and more German departments, like departments in Germany, will say, of course we have Yiddish. We have German, we have Swedish, we have, you know, Danish, and yeah, and we have Yiddish. But that's like very utopian. It isn't that hard a language. Not that I, by a long shot, feel myself to be, you know, master it, but in comparison to other European languages, it's a pretty simple grammar. It's easier than German. It's way easier than Russian or Polish. And as long as you stick that Hebrew alphabet on your refrigerator and just look at it all the time, you'll get used to it if you don't already have it. And that'll be the hardest thing. And that's it. It's a small language.